Hey geeks, so if you're brand new to using the Panasonic S5 or S5IIX, there's one thing that might be annoying and not as intuitive, so let me show you what that is. So whenever you are looking at all your videos or photos that you shot, you usually press this button and now you can see it. But the thing is, what if I wanted to see all of them at once, or see multiple, so then I could select the one at once. So in this case, I have 39 different videos on here. Well, the way you do it is on your dial right here, just go ahead and move that. And if you move it to the right, it'll zoom in, as you can see there. But if you move it to the left and then keep moving it to the left, now you get this view where you can see all your videos and images, and then you can select the one that you want. So that there is a really quick tip and something that I don't think is as intuitive. And so hopefully that helps. And if you actually had any other thoughts or any other tips and features that you think might be useful, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my camera tutorials, tips, and reviews, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.